Want to clean your sofa fabric? Watch this video for some of the best methods. 1. Vacuuming sofa fabric removes loose dirt, dust, and debris. Vacuum the sofa with a handheld vacuum or soft brush attachment. Check seams, cushions, and crevices. Vacuuming prevents dirt from penetrating fabric. 2. Small spills on upholstery can be spot cleaned. Wipe the stain with a clean, absorbent cloth or paper towel to remove the liquid. Be gentle, as rubbing a stain can spread it and damage the fabric. Dab the stain with a clean cloth and a mild detergent or upholstery cleaner diluted with water. Rinse with a wet cloth and let it air dry. 3. Upholstery cleaning services can deep clean sofa fabric. Professional cleaners use specific equipment and knowledge to clean various fabrics. They can clean sofas with tough stains, grime, and odors. Experts can safely clean delicate or badly soiled materials.